Hi, this is Trevor Conquergood, and this video is all about the new Smart Fill tool that's part of the Floriani Embroidery Software's Winter 2020 update. And so to go ahead and get started to demonstrate that, I'll just click on an empty workspace, and the tool is up here. It's currently dim or gray, which means I'll need to do something before I can use it. And it's called Smart Fill, and it has to do with artwork. And so we need a piece of artwork on our screen, and so probably the easiest way to get some artwork is to come to the Custom Shapes library and select a piece of artwork. And so here I've got a nice design of an apple on my screen. As you can see, it's a piece of vector artwork. If I select it, I can easily change its color. And so if I go ahead and open another piece of artwork, and what this tool is about having kind of like overlapping layers of artwork and creating new shapes from where they overlap. And so maybe what I'll do is make this apple green, and so that you can kind of see when I overlap it with the other apple what I'm talking about. And so the first thing you'll need to know about this tool is that to be able to use it, you first of all need to take the fill out of your shape. In other words, right now, if I click on the Smart Fill tool and I try clicking over top of the area where these two apples overlap, it doesn't do anything. And that's because before it'll work, I need to take the fill out of these and make them basically just be outlines. And so if you select both of these shapes and just make them be outlines, then the tool will work. So now I come up here and I click on the new Smart Fill tool. And notice when I come down here and if I click over top of the area where these two pieces of artwork are overlapping, it creates a new piece just for the area that's overlapping. And it'll basically create a new piece for not the area that's overlapping, but the boundary of the common outlines. In other words, if I click up here, it'll fill in the top piece of the apple where it's defined by this shape and the other shape that is overlapping with it. I'm just going to go ahead and click on all sort of three of the areas and then select one of them and like change its color, and select another one of them and change its color, so that you can see what I'm saying is we've now got a design that has three separate parts, 1, 2, and 3. And so the Smart Fill tool is the way that you can create new shapes based upon the common outline when two vector shapes are overlapping each other. And so just moving those around and then coming and clicking on the tool again and clicking here and here and here will allow me to create a different kind of a color gradient, if you will. And so basically it's a way to divide up shapes. And so it's a very cool new tool. Once again, it has to do with artwork. And so if your shapes are already filled in with stitches and you want to use them, then you need to kind of take the stitches back out and convert them back into artwork. And then you'll be able to click on the Smart Fill tool and fill in the new areas that are, create new areas from your artwork. And so I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you enjoy all of the new tools in the Winter 2020 update.